Hello everyone! In part 1, we built a chatbot that could talk and even learn from you. But there was only one problem. It wasn't that smart. If you would have typed hi instead of hello, it just got confused. Well, in this video, we'll fix that. We're going to give our chatbot a little AI brain upgrade so it can recognize similar questions and respond like a pro. Because this is part 2 of our course. If you missed part 1, you can just go with my YouTube channel. We created a chatbot that saves all its conversations and learns new responses over time. Today, we're taking it one step further by adding fuzzy matching. So even if the input isn't exactly what you want, the bot will try its best to guess what you meant. Fuzzy matching is like when you type the wrong word in Google and it says, "Did you mean this?" But in Python, we can do this with a built-in library called the difflib. It compares words and finds the closest match. So let me show you guys that real quick and how I do it. Wait, just stop this. I think I was using from yesterday's conversation. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna do import difflib like so. And then what we're gonna need to do, guys, is we're gonna come down over here and create a new function called get best match, or just do find similar. I think that's how you do it, right? Similar. Wait. Similar question or similar? Question. Did I spell similar like? Would it work? Okay, I mean, obviously it would work. What am I saying? Question. And then we'll just do user input. And it'll make the threshold 0.6. Okay, so, and the reason why I put the threshold 0.6, because the less the threshold, the more lenient it is, but the more threshold you have, the more strict it is. So you want it to be in the middle, just right. Not too strict, not too lenient. So I think 60% is the best one to do. So then over here, what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna just do matches equals diff lib get close input bot knowledge dot keys to get all the keys, and we want to get the one that's like the most matched one, so the top number one. So for that we have to do and we want to see what the percentage is, like 60% or more, our threshold. So the cutoff should be our threshold equals threshold. There we go, close parentheses. And then we want to return matches 0 index if matches, like if there is, else we're just gonna print none. Well, that's not you do none. Wait, what? Oh, what just happened? Okay, like so, none. Okay, now we have created our function. Now we want to execute. So to do that, guys, now over here, what we need to do is, I think we are supposed to add the, what's it called? We have to add an if else. Oh, okay, I get it now. I have to think of how it will work. I think what would the best way to make it is just cut this, right? Yeah, cut that. Instead we can just do close match, right? Okay, there we go. Yeah, this works. We do this, and if close match, if there is a close match, we'll just do the bot response equals bot we want to print f using close match, do close match like so. So we did that. Now we're gonna come here and do else, and this is where we're gonna paste our code. So, like so. Okay. And then do this as well, guys. And then we're gonna come down here. Wait, I think we should do a tab. And we're gonna print chatbot bot response. So, because after it could, two things could either happen: give you the match, or if it does not know what it was, it'll give you, okay, thanks, I learned. So that's what we're gonna do, print chatbot no matter what, this or this, and then it's gonna give print chatbot response. So let's test it out. Let's just run, for example. Okay. So now our chatbot will feel more smart. So if we do something like hello, it will tell us using close match. Oh wait. Okay, I think we should make. Oh yeah, we forgot to close parentheses. I mean, it's not gonna give an error. Bless me, guys. Okay. Okay, let's clear past runs, and then let's try it again. Do something like hello, but not really. Now, guys, one feature that we have added is now we don't have to teach it certain stuff. And now we can it'll just give us the closest thing that it does. Although we still have to teach the stuff, like it won't just directly give our answers. But now, even if we do a mistake, it would still correct, like will give us the right thing. So what if we do like hi? Would hi work? Hello. Okay, it does work. Maybe because I've added the function already. What if I do like hi? Example. I don't know how to respond to that. Maybe because we made the threshold 0.6. Let's make it a little more lower. We'll see what will happen. Okay, something like hi, hello. Okay, yeah. So there we go. It worked a little bit. What if we just did this again? Oh, maybe because of it's probably not case sensitive. Maybe that's why it can't respond to that. Maybe we could make another video about this. So let's type our response. We'll just do hello, same thing. And maybe, I think now, if we do this, guys, I think now it will probably, wait. Hello. And then, try doing it one more time. Okay, close match, hi, chatbot, hello. So yeah, that's how our bot is learning, guys. Now our bot feels smarter. So that's the good thing. So guys, in part 3, we'll go even further. We'll add real natural language processing, basically NLP techniques, so that the bot understands meaning, not just words. Drop your ideas for what we should teach this bot next. And don't forget to like or subscribe if you're enjoying the series. And have a good day, guys. Peace out.